Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use copying and pasting features on this laptop. So to copy and paste on your laptop, you have to use some specific shortcuts, which I'm gonna show you once I create this new text document, since it's the most convenient way for me to show you how they work. Let's input some sample text here. Now to copy this text, you have to select it using the left key of your mouse, and then you can either right click and select copy, or you can use CTRL C, combination of keys, and then use CTRL V or right click and paste in order to paste the text. You can also cut the specific part of the text out using CTRL X combination, or you can instead right click and cut the text out, then CTRL V to paste, and then also you got an option to use a clipboard if you want to have several snips of text or basically anything, and to enable clipboard, use Windows V combination, then click turn on, and then you can make several selections and copy several parts of the text. And then use Windows V and select which part of the text you want to paste on the screen. Okay, and now let me show you how it works in the File Explorer. So let's open the File Explorer, let's go to the Videos folder, and here we have the screen recording, and to copy it, use either CTRL C or click this icon right here, or right click and select copy. And to paste it, let's go to a different directory, and here we can either click this icon right here, right click and paste, or just use CTRL V combination. You can also use CTRL X combination, or use this icon right here, or right click and use cut icon right here in order to cut this video out, and then paste it into a different directory. And once you cut the file out, it will be replaced from one directory to another. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.